Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you and show you the opportunities that we got in Bitcoin on the 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 and the 5-minute chart. We got some big nice opportunities. Let's check them out. So this is the Bitcoin chart. It's the 1 hour time frame, and you can see the blue lines here represent Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, of course, the previous week, because today at the recording I'm doing today, it's Monday. So let's check the 1 hour right now. Monday we got one opportunity. So if you would take this trade, this is New York opening, because I am in Europe, so I mostly look for the European, it's my time. And if we take just one trade, and today we got this after New York opening, we would have a winner. I just want to show you this very fast on the 1 hour. Tuesday we got this is actually before market opening. No, Tuesday we didn't have nothing. We have then Wednesday, that was 12, that's lunch in Europe. We got this opportunity. Here we go. We would take this trade and we will just trade after London opening and New York, which is more liquidity. So that would be a stop loss $363. We target 1-to-1, another win. So we have 2 wins on the 1 hour. Let me just mark this win, and we had a win here. So 2 wins on the 1 hour chart. Let's continue. This is Thursday, and what do we have? We have 1 p.m. European time, and then we go into New York opening. So this is another trade here. This is the 1 hour. Don't forget this, all right? This is the trade that we had, opportunity 1-to-1, and that's a winner. And this trade is a winner. Don't be confused by the wick. Let me show you again. So this candle, the control bar happens here, and then the GBI, the green bar, it's here. Let me just move this here so you can see better. So this candle, it's opening here and it's going up, but our entry is below the green body, the GBI, so our stop loss will not be triggered. It would not hit. So that is a winner. I want you to understand this. And then we got another opportunity on the 1 hour, 5 p.m. So that's 11 a.m. New York. We go, we enter the trade again here. Below the green body, our stop loss 600, let's do it 700, and we target 700. Here we go, another win. Here we go, another win. Perfect. Let's continue to Friday. And what do we have here? We have here London opening, and then we got a control bar, like a big buyer, institutions, market maker, whatever you call them, came into the market at 10 a.m. Europe. We have a RBI, red bar ignored. We position our trade above the body. You can see here, very difficult. Let me zoom in. This is the body from the RBI, red bar ignored. So we enter immediately above the body. Stop loss is just going below. I would do $100 and we target 100, or you can target the high from this previous high. That would be your TP, and that's a risk to reward ratio of 4.8, but we will just target 1 because this is what we show in my videos, and it's another win. Here we go. That's a winner, and that was Friday, and that's it. This is on the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we got how many trades? 1 winner, 2, 3, 4 trades on the 1 hour on Bitcoin, and all winners. Yes, this is here. It's one tricky trade. If you would take on Monday this one, I will not take this trade, and let me explain to you why. This is this setup that we are looking for. Because look at the move. It's huge. We need some retracement, and the big red line, the 200 EMA, it's acting as a resistance, and I will not take this trade. It's too much risky. It's too much risky. No way. I will not do that. And you can see already it's late. No, I will never take this trade. Just to explain to you, because I know people will comment in the video why I didn't take this trade. Alright, let's go to the 30 minutes. I want to show you fast it so we don't waste any of your time. This is the 1 hour trade. Monday on the 30 minutes we have no signals. Tuesday nothing, and then Wednesday we can see some trades. That's 11 AM London. We can take this trade. We go long. Stop loss below the RBI. 1-to-1. Another winner. This is on the 30 minutes. And this trade is different compared to the 1 hour chart. So you could take today, that's Wednesday, 2 trades. We continue, and this is it. And then we go to Thursday. We do see something. No, this is before the London opening. It's a winner, but I will not trade this because I'm sleeping, of course. Then we go to Friday, and we see nothing. So actually we got 2 trades on the 30 minutes. Let's go to the 15. Here we go. That's the 15 minute. And the 15 minutes is giving us the same setup compared to the 1 hour. So we will not take this trade. We did it on the 1 hour. We have here another setup on the 15. What time is it? No, it's late. I will not trade this. This is after New York is closing. You could trade this if you wanted, but I will not take this trade. And then Asia, this is all Asia here. What's happening? This is Asia, and you would make money. You see that? So if you trade the Asia, you could take 1 trade, 2 trades, 2 profit trade in the Asia market. Let's continue. We have now another setup. This is Asia again, would be profitable, but we are not trading the Asia. And Wednesday, 15 minute, what do we have? We have this trade that we took on the 30 minutes. We have another trade we took on the 1 hour. Perfect. Let's continue. This setup is late. It's after New York close, 22:45. So it's around 5 p.m. New York. You could take it if you really want to trade. Then you have another setup here and another one. I'm not trading this, but you see they are all winners. Maybe you have a loser here or there, but yeah, this could be the loser if you really would take that. 1 winner, and then that would be a loser here, for example. But I'm not taking those trades, and I'm not counting as well those profitable trades. Let's go to Thursday now. This is the 15-minute chart. What do we see immediately? We see London opening. We take this trade above the red body. That's the RBI. We target 1-to-1. What's our stop loss? $285. And we target 1-to-1, and we will hit this trade. This would be the winner. So I would mark another trade. This is the 15. Let's continue. This trade we took probably on the 30-minute winner. Let me see this. This is too late. I'm not trading that. But look at this Asia. You see the Asia session. That's all Asia. All printing money. So if you're living in Tokyo, Japan, or somewhere in Australia, you can trade all this, or in America. Winner, winner. You have 3 wins here in the Asian. Let's continue to Friday. 15-minute. London opening. What do we have? We have immediately a setup. 9:30. We have an RBI. 9:45. We position our trade below stop loss. Stop loss $205. We target 1-to-1 or this high here, but I will target $200. Another trade. That's Friday, yes. profit. Let's continue. We trade, we watch, and we just take the setups that the indicator is showing us. And why this setup is actually happening is because of a lot of volume. So we have a big candle, big push, imbalance, giving us the signal. So this is 6:15 after New York opening. If we take this trade, this is a loser. You can see clearly that. All right, so it's a loss. We take this X. You can see on the high time frame, you don't have much losers, like 1 hour, 30 minutes. On the 15, we got now 1. Let's continue. What time is it? It's 8 p.m. European time, so this is 2 p.m. New York. We take this trade, we position our stop loss like 220, we target 1-to-1, or you can target a lower low, but I will just do like this. Another win. Here we go, and of course we need green. And let's continue. And this is already Asia. I'm not trading that. So we didn't get many losers. On the 50-minute, just 1. And let's go now to our 5-minute. All right, this is the 5-minute, and we will have here a lot of setups and yeah, more opportunity. But already considering 1 hour, 30 minutes, and the 15, we should be already good and making enough money to pay for our bills. I actually want to do now a calculation from the first 3 time frames. Let me count now on the 15-minute, those 3 time frames. Monday, we had 1 winner, that's it. Tuesday, not a good day to trade, no signals. Oh, we have here 1, but this is Asia. So 1 winner, 2, 3 wins. We have 4, 5 trades, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 winners and 1 loser from the 1 hour, 30 minute and the 15-minute chart. So we have 8 wins and 1 loss. This is the time frame from the 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15. And let's get now down to the 5-minute chart. All right, so this is the 5-minute. If we take the trades that the setups that the indicator is giving us, we can. So if, for example, in this situation, we have 1 winner, 2 winners, 3, and I don't have to mark them out or put the trade setup in because the video will be very long, and you can see from yourself. 1, 2, 3 wins. Then we have New York opening. This is a clear winner. 4 wins, 5, and this would be a loser. Yes, so 5 wins, 1 loss, and this is still going on. 6 wins, 1 loss, but this is already a win, so it's 5. I will just put it like that. 5 wins and 1 loss. This is just Monday. All right, let's continue to Tuesday, the 5-minute. I will just go fast through this chart because we don't have much time. This is another winner, 1 win. This would be probably break even or a loser. I will count this as a loss. So 1 win, 1 loss. This is then New York. This, it's a winner, another win, another win. So we have 4 wins, 1 loss. And what is this? This is still good time frame. So another winner, you can see if you take like that, this is a winner. So we have 5 wins and 1 loss Tuesday. 5 wins and 1 loss. This is Tuesday. I'm just going through the chart fast because we don't have much time, and I know you don't have much time, so I will just walk you through very, very fast this chart. What do we have? We have London opening. We have 1 setup, 1 win. We have another setup. This is a loser, so 1 win, 1 loser. Another win, another win. So we have 4 wins, 1 loser. This is what I see just from my eye. what we have here? We have here, that would be a loser, a loss, I believe. Yes, so we have 2 losses, 1, 2, 3 wins, 2 losses, another loss I see here, so it's 3, I believe, another win, and here another loss. So this day I believe it's 4, and this is okay. So 4, today was 4 wins and 4 loss trades. All right, so we have 4 today. Another good day. Let's continue. This is Thursday. What do we have? We have here London opening. We have a winner down, winner up, 1-1, so 2 winners. This is already a trade. Here, that's another win, but we will not take this trade because we already did. So we have 2 wins. Here we have, I believe it's a loss, so 2-1, another win, 3-1. This is a trade, 3-1. All right, so today we had 3 wins and 1 loss. And that's Thursday. We are talking about the 5-minute chart now. Let's go Friday, that's the last day. And sorry to taking so much time, but that's the 5-minute. All right, we have another trade here, set up for a long on the 5-minute win. We will not count this because we already took this trade. And this is another setup on the 5-minute, so 2 wins. 2 wins, another setup. This would go through. 3 wins, Friday. Let's continue. Another win, 4 wins, 5. I see the trades. I don't need to mark them. So it's how many trades? I believe 4 or 5. I'm not sure. Let's say it's 4. 4. What time is it? We are still trading this. We took this trade. Here another trade. 5 wins, and this is Asia. Friday, 5 wins, maybe 6, but let's keep it at 5. All right. So let me calculate now the trades. So we had 30 wins and 8 losses. So altogether 22 profitable trades. So if you risk $100 per trade, 22 trades, you will make $2,200 for this week trading Bitcoin. If you risk $500 per trade, you would make $11,000. And this video is not a financial advice video. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is what I do. This is what I see. This is how I trade. Let me repeat it again. If you risk per trade $100, potentially you could make $2,200 for this week. I just want to share with you and show you that it's really possible to trade and to make a living with that. So this week was not bad. 22 wins. Of course, we got some losses, but that's the game. You need to get wins and losses to experience profitability. And 22 wins, it's just very good if you trade the session after London opening and New York. Risking $100, making $2,200, it's not such a bad income at all. All right, I hope you got some value out of this video. Like, subscribe, share this video, and see you next time. Bye-bye. You click subscribe, like, and see you next time.